Many species of bamboos are commonly found in all the regions of Thailand, making them a traditional part of the Thai lifestyle. Technological advancements, however, have replaced bamboos, making these trees merely a fragment of the past.
สวัสดีครับ and welcome to Thailand at Large. The huge things behind me right now might look familiar to you, but because of its size, then you might not believe that this is bamboo. This is a giant of Nan. The giant of Nan is a type of bamboo which is considered the biggest bamboo in the world. Today we have arrived to Nan province as I would like to meet a person who devotes himself to study to make research about the bamboo. And not only study and research, but he also collects 600 types of bamboo, which is considered the biggest number of collection in Thailand also. So keep watching us and we'll tell you more information about it. Right at the middle of Nan province, I am currently in the place where they distribute, where they sell all the bamboos. And right now I am together with Pitong, a person who is devoting himself to the bamboos in studying, and also we can call him as one of the persons who know the most about the bamboo in Thailand. So let's get to know him. สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ
ในเรื่องไผ่ของโลกไม่ว่าจะเป็นหน่อผลิตหน่อไม้หรืออุตสาหกรรม
Pitong shared his story that inspired his passion for bamboos. After graduating from university in the field of agriculture, he spent many years in the career of breeding beautiful plants, and even triggered a transition that started his interest in bamboos.
Wow, okay. So he started to interested about the bamboo because at first he was a person who do distributing the normal floral, beautiful flowers. And then one day he stopped by at a coffee shop and then he found a bamboo tree, the big one. And he was thinking like, wow, that's look like a giant bamboo. And he was thinking that the farmers, they are currently why don't they just start selling this kind? Why don't they just start expanding the number of this kind of bamboo? Because there are many parts of the bamboo that you can use for many purposes, and it would be nice if they can plant this one and they can use many parts of it to distribute for many benefits. So that's why he started to study about the bamboo, about the giant one, and then he hopes that it would be beneficial to the farmers who are currently not selling these bamboos yet.
Our conversation with Pitong made me realize that there are over 1,000 species of bamboos across the globe. Thailand is one of the locations with the largest variety of bamboo species. We should study bamboos because these trees yield at least 4 dimensions of economic benefits. The shoots can be consumed for food. The stems have benefits. The trees are planted for beauty, and large plantations are cultivated for tourism purposes. I'm very thankful that Pitong will be spending the full day with us to share his knowledge on bamboos. We start our journey by visiting Tha Wang Pa district, approximately 50 kilometers from the city of Nan. We will be observing an experimental bamboo plantation.
So right now we are already at the bamboo plot, which is actually pretty far from where we used to be. So we'll get to ask to พี่โต้ง so that he will tell us why it has to be here ทำไมถึงมาปลูกเป็นตรงนี้ล่ะครับมันค่อนข้างไกลเหมือนกันเนาะ
ใช่ครับแปลงนี้เป็นแปลงจริงของเกษตรกรที่จังหวัดน่านซึ่งจะมีปัญหาเรื่องภูเขาหัวโล้นนะฮะเขาปลูกข้าวโพดมาก่อนแล้วทำให้ดินสไลด์ทำให้สภาพแวดล้อมไม่ค่อยดีเท่าไหร่
So this place used to be where they plant corn and then because they plant corn they create another problem that the mountain will be like no more tree when after they pick up all the crops. So that's why he start to plant bamboo in order to restore the status of the mountain like a restoration เป็นการฟื้นฟูด้วยอย่างเงี้ยครับ
This plantation has 4 species of bamboos. To test their growth, we raise them organically by refraining from irrigation and fertilizers. It turned out that only 2 species of the 4 were able to grow under the conditions.
So from 4 species, there's only 2 that survive very well in here 2 พันธุ์ที่อยู่นะครับก็คือ
ใช่ครับหนึ่งยักษ์น่าน
ยักษ์น่าน
แล้วก็ฟ้าหม่น
ครับ so the 2 things are the one called in Thai as ฟ้าหม่น and another one is called in Thai as ยักษ์น่าน and the word ยักษ์น่าน is the giant bamboo. Okay, so let's look for example like that one อย่างต้นนั้นนะฮะอันนี้เป็นต้นอะไรครับเนี่ย
ตัวนี้คือไผ่ยักษ์น่านครับ
ตัวนี้คือยักษ์น่านเลย
ใช่ครับ
so this one is a giant bamboo ตัวนี้เลยนะครับ
ใช่ครับ
มันไหนลองดูชัดๆนิดนึง
เนี่ยครับ
ครับอันนี้มันจะแตกต่างจากสายพันธุ์อื่นยังไงฮะ How is it different from other species of bamboo
ครับไผ่ยักษ์น่านคือไผ่ตัวที่ใหญ่ที่สุดในโลกนะครับ
ครับ
ในโลกของเราเนี่ยไผ่ตัวที่ใหญ่ที่สุดในโลกก็คือมีไผ่ยักษ์น่านแล้วก็ไผ่มังกรยักษ์ซึ่งมังกรยักษ์อยู่ที่ประเทศจีน
So as there are 2 species of bamboo that is like biggest in the world, one of them is in China, another one is called giant bamboo, which is this one, like this one.
The Nan giant bamboo is the largest bamboo species in Thailand. They are becoming increasingly popular as economic crops due to their fast growth and large yields of shoots and stems.
Apart from the giant bamboo or yak nan over there, we also come here and then we can see another kind of bamboo which is very good for the economic also มีประโยชน์ทางเศรษฐกิจมากเลยนะครับ This one is called in Thai as ไผ่ฟ้าหม่น ฟ้าหม่น is the Thai name of this one ครับ What is the major characteristic? What is the major appearance that we know exactly? Like this one is ฟ้าหม่น เรารู้ได้ไงครับว่านี่คือฟ้าหม่น
ฟ้าหม่นลักษณะสำคัญลักษณะเด่นของเขาเลยก็คือลำตรงมากนะฮะ
It's very straight. The good thing, the advantage of this kind of bamboo is that it's very thick, very strong. Like it's not like nothing inside, but yeah, it's very strong, very thick, and also it can create the bamboo shoot. Even it's in the dry period like this. For example, like that one. Yeah, they also have the bamboo shoot เนี่ยเราไปดูใกล้ๆกันนิดนึงฮะจริงๆช่วงนี้เป็นช่วงที่ไม่น่ามี
แรงที่สุดของปีแล้วฮะช่วงนี้
One amazing thing is that even right now is the period that is really dry and it was almost impossible to have any bamboo shoot up here. But for example, this one has the bamboo shoot coming up. So imagine if it's the rainy period where there's like a lot of waters coming down and then we will have bamboo shoot like this all around this area ขึ้นมาเยอะขนาดไหนคะเนี่ยเยอะมากไหมเยอะมากครับ
ออกได้ครั้งต่อครั้งเนี่ยถึง30หน่อต่อชุด
Wow
พร้อมกัน
Well so during the rainy period it could be like 30 of them coming up in this area โอ้นี่เยอะมากเลยนะฮะ30ชุด
ดกมาก
We came across a bamboo with flowers at the plantation. This is a natural sign that the bamboo is reaching the end of its lifespan. In general, bamboos live for around 60 to 80 years. There are many ways to breed bamboos. Grafting and cutting maintains the age of the bamboos. It explains why newly planted bamboos that were cut from the tree seems to die in a short period of time. The best way to breed bamboos is to start from the seeds, a method which guarantees the fresh beginning of the life cycle.
So it's very important to know that it is the best way to grow a new bamboo, because when you grow it, then you know exact age. When is it going to die? Is the longest possible age for the bamboo.
Pitong invited me to visit his own bamboo plantation, which held over 600 species of bamboo from Thailand and overseas. Many bamboos in this plantation were bred with tissue culture to yield quantities that meet the demand of farmers for economic purposes. What sparks my interest is the collection of beautiful and rare bamboos from across the globe in this plantation. Many of these species are also only found in Thailand.
So this one is the candy cane bamboo.
Candy cane
Bamboo can be found in Thailand only. Like, yeah, not only this specific place, but only in Thailand, and they is not exist in other country. ครับมันเป็นยังไงครับเนี่ย
เขาจะมีหลากสีมากครับในไผ่ต้นเดียวนะ ซึ่งจะมีเราเห็นจะมีสีชมพูนะฮะ
ครับ
ชมพูเหลืองเขียว
เอ๊ะไหนสีชมพูเลย
ชมพูฝั่งนี้ครับ
Ah, okay. So there are like many colors in one bamboo. Like for example, here you can see it's pink, and it's yellow, and it's green.
ถ้าสีนี้ก็คือถาวรไม่ได้มีเฉพาะตอนที่ยังเด็กเท่านั้น ลำแก่ก็มีเป็นสีนี้เหมือนกัน
Oh, so the color will just remain like this, no matter is it young, is it old. The color will just remain like
เป็น
this. ครับ
เป็นไผ่ปลูกประดับที่ต่างประเทศสนใจสั่งซื้อจากสวนของผมตัวเนี้ยเยอะ
Many foreigners interested in this kind of bamboo, at least from this farm, because it's colorful, it's for decoration, it's very good for the decoration. ครับ Okay, this one has the pattern just like, just look like leopard เหมือนเสือดาว
แต่จะเป็นสีนี้ถาวรครับ
And the color will be
ลำ
just
โต
like
ขึ้นมา
this
จะสวย
also ครับไม่ว่ามันจะโตแค่ไหน
ใช่
no
ครับ
matter how old it is the color will be just like this
ครับสีตัวนี้สวยที่สีมีความแปลกครับ
So this one is interesting because of the pattern
อันนี้มีแค่ในเมืองไทยเท่านั้น
This one also has only in Thailand
The key feature of this bamboo is the yellow and spotted leaves. There are many other similar bamboos in Thailand that are becoming more popular for decorations.
Like this one is also interesting like it's dark here มันเป็นแบบสีเข้มเลยนะฮะเนี่ย
ใช่ครับ
But
ใบ
then
เหลือง
but then the leaf is like yellow Okay so this one is also for decoration อันนี้เอาไว้ตกแต่งกัน
ครับ
ใช่ไหมครับ
ไว้ตกแต่งครับ
ครับ This one has only in this country มีเฉพาะในไทย
เฉพาะ
อย่าง
มี
เดียว
แต่ในไทยเท่านั้น
ครับ
This is the patterned bamboo. It's also popular for decorations due to its interesting stem.
Oh so that's one the pattern is white and this one the pattern is purple So this one is like another species of the bamboo. You can see that this one has no cover here. Like they just leave it. คือมันมีกาบขึ้นมาแล้วมันก็ออกไปเอง It will come with a cover and then the cover will just gone. So it can show the pattern. It shows its own pattern in a very beautiful way. And you can see that it's straight. มันตรงมากเลย It's all straight. So that's why it's very good for the อันนี้ใช้ตกแต่ง
ตกแต่ง
for decoration and you can already imagine the space in your home นึกภาพที่บ้านได้เลยว่าจะไปวางตรงไหน that where are you gonna place it because it's straight so it's very easy to plan and we have come to like one of the highlights one of the most important highlights in here ต้นที่เป็นไฮไลท์สำคัญเลยนะฮะที่นี่ which is this one this is the pink bamboo
The pink bamboo was developed by Pitong, the result of 6 years of breeding and experiments. It can only be found in this plantation with a price that reflects its exclusivity.
Oh, because it spent a long time before he can come up with this kind of pink bamboo, so the value of each trunk is also expensive. For example, just one trunk, like อันนี้ต้นเดียวอย่างนี้ใช่ไหมฮะ 10,000 บาท
ใช่ครับ
This costs 10,000 baht. Wow.
We should spend at least a day in Pitong's plantation to cover all the rare and exotic bamboo collections. The plantation reflects his dedication for research and development of various bamboo species to share in-depth knowledge with future generations. Our journey continues up the steep and complex mountain ranges of Nan to reach the natural origin of the province giant bamboo. The Nan giant bamboos in this area were the ones used when bamboos were first spread in Thailand by man.
15 kilometers from the nursery plot. And now we are at 1,150 meters from the normal sea level. That's pretty high. That's really high. Where are we now? ตอนนี้เรามาถึงที่ไหนกันแล้วครับเนี่ย
มาถึงออริจินอลสวนไผ่ยักษ์น่านต้นกำเนิดต้นตอเขาครับ
ต้นกำเนิดของไผ่ยักษ์น่านคือที่นี่เลย We are here at the place where the original giant bamboo was found เจอที่นี่เป็นที่แรกครับไปอีกไกลไหมคะเนี่ย
จากตรงนี้ประมาณ1 กิโลเมตรครับ
Okay, so we're gonna walk more a little bit, like 1 kilometer, and then we will see the original ต้นแรกเลยใช่ไหมฮะที่เจอ the first giant bamboo ever we have found in Thailand. So let's continue and go with us. งั้นเราไปดูกันได้เลยฮะ
Pitong shared his vision to create a bamboo botanical garden on the 130-rai property as a tourist attraction and learning center, similar to those of developed countries. The project is still at its inception. We noticed the newly planted non-giant bamboos along the mountain road. This is part of Pitong's plan to create the world's largest bamboo tunnel.
Like currently we already have the Mozo bamboo tunnel in Japan, in China already. But then when this place is ready, which is in the near future, ซึ่งก็อีกไม่นานใช่ไหมฮะ the giant bamboo here will create a tunnel จะเป็นอุโมงค์ไผ่ยักษ์จะเป็น the giant bamboo tunnel which is even bigger than the ones that already existing in other countries ก็คือใหญ่กว่าในประเทศอื่นที่มีอยู่อีก
ใช่ครับ
As we traveled, Pitong introduced a certain type of bamboo to me. Let's observe its special features.
Okay, so we stop here a little bit because there is one interesting thing here อะไรคะเนี่ย
ตัวนี้คือไผ่ที่อยู่เมืองหนาวนะฮะไผ่เมืองหนาว
นี่คือไผ่เมืองหนาว
ใช่ครับเป็น Semi Aludinaria fastosa
Okay, that was the name. อันนี้คือไผ่เมืองหนาว This is the bamboo that grow well in the place where the climate is cool because of the location that is located like very high from the actual sea level. So that's why it makes the climate here pretty unique. It is cooler than normal, but it's not really cold. So that's why it is the location where both kind of bamboo, like the one that suits perfectly with the cooler weather and the one that suits perfectly with the hotter, warmer weather, can grow together. Actually, just right next to each other. Like this one is fits with the cooler one, and this one, the giant bamboo, actually fits with the warmer weather.
We journeyed into a denser bamboo forest. It was my first time to see some of the largest bamboos. Pitong said that these bamboos were 35 meters tall. Although not the non-giant bamboos we were searching for, these bamboos were the second largest species known as the Dendrocalamus asper. The locals refer to them as giant hok bamboos. I continued my journey with Pitong's guidance on the diverse species of bamboos we encountered along the way.
ไปครับถึงแล้วครับ
อ๋อ ถึงแล้วใช่ไหมครับ
ใช่ค
So
รับ
here we are already. Okay. อันนี้คือ
ไผ่ยักษ์น่านครับ Dendrocalamus giganteus น่านโคลน
so this is the giant bamboo, the biggest one already. อันนี้คือใหญ่ที่สุดเลยใช่ไหมครับ
ใช่ครับ ใหญ่ที่สุดในโลกครับลำนี้
This is the biggest in the world.
เส้นผ่าศูนย์กลาง 14 นิ้ว
14 นิ้ว เส้นผ่าศูนย์กลาง 14
diameter
inches for the diameter. 14 inches. Well, that's even longer than normal ruler ยาวกว่าไม้บรรทัดอีกนะครับเนี่ย
ใช่ครับ
According to Pitong, this non-giant bamboo was at least 20 years old, with a height between 35 to 40 meters, making it the largest bamboo in the world. This is one of Thailand's blessings to serve as a home for diverse bamboo species and the world's largest bamboo.
So there's a lot of opportunities for the local, for the Thai farmers also, that we have a very variety of species of bamboo in this country. For example, just this botanical garden, you have like already 600 species already. And these can bring a lot later after all also, the bamboo can use every part of it. You can use the bamboo shoot for consuming. You can use these bamboo for making a lot of stuff ใช้ทำได้หลายอย่างมากเลยใช่ไหมครับ And even like this place, for example, this is a botanical garden, and this is an opportunity for the visitors to come to becoming like a nature tourism also เป็นการท่องเที่ยวด้วย that when the visitor come, and then it will help to boost our economy also ก็ยังช่วยในเรื่องของเศรษฐกิจเราอีกด้วย
This property is filled with the dreams of a man who wants to create the world's largest collection of bamboo species. I hope to see the area transformed into a large bamboo forest that prevent drought and forest trespassers to grow short-term crops such as corn. This bamboo furniture underscores the tree's potential to create economic value.
So as you can see, bamboo create a lot of benefits to the farmer and also to the user also. It is a plant that has a very high potential in terms of economic to Thai people and to any farmers who do the farming of the bamboo also. And today we already learned a lot about the bamboo. We see from a very first step until we see all the final products created from the bamboo. So we would like to thanks to Pitong also for giving us all the information today. ขอบคุณมากครับ Apart from that, we would like to thanks to you for watching Thailand at Large today, and we hope to see you again in our next episode. สวัสดีครับ